Good morning, sir and ma'am. I'm Mehul from Agrasen Public School, Bharech, Nagar, Sandi, and this is my model of ethanol plant. Ethanol is a type of organic compound which is blended with petrol and used as a motor fuel. Blending of ethanol with petrol is also called ethanol blending. The project to show the importance of ethanol, its advantages, and many more. As in 2022, we know how much India is dependent on the crude oil, and one of the India's biggest problem is its dependency on crude oil. Whenever there is any geographical dispute, the price of the crude oil increases. As it increases, it becomes more problematic for India. So, and as India is the third largest oil consumer, as we have so much dense population, any alternative to petrol. So, in this case, using the ethanol is the best option, as it also has oxygen molecules. It reduces the production of CO2, and it is quite cheap too if it is blended with petrol and sold. In India, currently there is 10% already blended, and our target is achieved, which was to blend petrol with ethanol, 10% ethanol up to November, but we have already achieved it on 5th June in the Environment Day. By this 10% of ethanol blending, 41,600 crore India is saving, and it also reduces 27 lakh tons of CO2 production, and if it is blended up to 20%, the farmers will also gain a profit of 40,600 crores. As in India there is the employment issues to it deals with it too. If we set up ethanol plant in each state, almost 2 lakh people get employed. Now we'll talk about the process. First, here is the checking point where we'll check the quality of the material. Then from here it will transfer into the storage house where it will be kept, and then after that we'll do the mining process in which the sugar will be will grind into fine rough powder. After that, we have a mixing tank where the sugar will mix with water and will be cooled, and after that yeast will be added in it. And then from here it goes to the liquefaction tank where it liquefy all the rough materials, and from here it goes to the fermentation tank where it is kept for some time, and here is the undistillized ethanol is kept, and after that there is this distillation process which we have shown in the practical. Now we'll talk about the process happens in the ethanol plant. First, here is the storage tank where all the materials gets checked, its quality and stuff. After that, it comes to the storage tank where it is stored, and after that, it goes to the milling. Goes to the milling process where it is blended and it is then turned into fine rough powder. And after that, it goes to the mixing tank where the sugar is boiled in water and the yeast are added to it after it cools down. And after that, it goes to the liquefaction tank where it liquefies and separate the rough material from the mixture, and after that it is then airlocked and kept in the fermentation tank for some time, and it is then formed undistillized ethanol. And after this, we have made another list of this project, that is our practical, in which we have shown the distillation process completely. And after that, ethanol is formed, and then it goes to the storage tank of ethanol.